Back in the late 90s, I was a computer science student and a math tutor at Prince George's Community College. After graduating, I went on to earn my bachelor's degree in computer science, further solidifying my passion for the field. I returned to Prince George's Community College, but this time I took on the role of an adjunct faculty member specializing in developmental mathematics courses. Concurrently, I served as a PC analyst, accumulating 3 years of valuable experience in this role. While my career path eventually led me outside of Prince George's Community College to work as a systems programmer for DataWatch Systems, my connection with Prince George's Community College remained unbroken as I continue to be an adjunct faculty member in the math department. In 2007, I made a successful return to the college as a web developer, while also earning a master's degree in computer systems management. Over the next decade, I went on to expand my professional horizon by working with the IT industry such as Illusion. However, the allure of teaching at Prince George's Community College remained undeniable. In 2017, I made the heartfelt decision to return as a full-time faculty member. 1 year later, I hit a milestone by earning my doctorate degree from Morgan State University, and in 2022, I became the chair of the Technology, Engineering, and Construction Department. As I reflect on this remarkable journey, I couldn't have envisioned that more than 23 years later, I would still be an integral part of Prince George's Community College. I take an immense pride in being part of Prince George's Community College and cherish all that it presents. What is your growth through reflection?